let's unbox the SuteFoto P80 RGB. The light comes with a bag which not only protects it really well, but it is also really handy for carrying it around. It even has Velcro straps that I personally like to use to carry my tripod. Seriously, big shout out to SuteFoto for thinking about every little detail. Inside the bag you'll find everything you need: a Bowens mount reflector, the cables, the manual, a shoulder strap, and the light itself. The P80 RGB light feels really solid and compact. It is completely made of metal. And oh my god, its light beam is super bright. For instance, right here we have only 10% of the maximum intensity. It even has a fan to dissipate the obvious heat that such a strong light generates. The light not only offers the standard bicolor feature, which controls the temperature between warm and cold, but it also has RGB. And not any RGB, it is RGB-CW. RGB-CW basically means that you can make the colors of the RGB spectrum warmer or cooler. As I like to take crazy photos and make crazy videos, my favorite features are the effects. It has the RGB circle, the police effect, the fire truck. To control it all, you can use the built-in LCD screen or even your phone to the Bluetooth app control. Now let's see some creative uses of the P80 RGB.